companies continue to put more efforts into AI to improve the technology, scientists have seemingly created a new technology that will supersede generative AI capabilities. As per report in Nature, scientists refer to the emerging technology as neural networks. They further indicated it has the capability to make generalization about languages. Moreover, scientists claim it is just as good as humans, especially when folding new words and applying them in different situations, contexts, and ultimately presenting a lifelike experience. When put to test and compared to ChatGPT, the scientists concluded that neural network and human perform better. This is despite the fact that chatbots like ChatGPT and Bing Chat are able to interact in a human-like manner and serve as AI-powered assistants. According to Nature report, there's a huge possibility that the neural network could outwit AI-powered chatbots in the long run as it interacts with people more naturally compared to existing systems. Looking back, Microsoft Bing Chat was spotted hallucinating during the initial days of the launch, though the issue has been fixed. So some people are saying that ChatGPT, Bing AI, Bard all are already outdated. They are going to be obsolete very soon, and there will be not much improvement in ChatGPT 5 compared to ChatGPT 4. Let's see where it heads.